I'm here with the Long. Hello, Long.
This is Potato. He's the best cat. Say hi. The best.
So today we're going to be doing a bit of a garden/farm tour. Say hi, Potato. Yes, this is the start of the tour with the best boy. He's so grumpy. Look at him. Look at his face.
Yeah, I am grumpy. Grumpy. Guys are the grumpy twins.
But we're gonna do a tour of our garden, what's going on with the garden, the Survival Seeds garden, and Bunky's garden, and the rest of the farm, and everything that's going on here. So yeah, let's get to that. This is Harv and Bailey. Bailey, Harv! No, don't bully her. It's Bailey. Bailey. What? Oh my god. This is Tom. This is one of my chickens. They keep getting out. And then this is Tonto. Tonto is one of the only 2 muscovies left. I only have 2 ducks left. I thought I only had 1. Hey. I thought I only had 1 duck left, so I named her Tonto after the Lone Ranger. But then Tonto 2 showed up, so I don't know what to do with myself anymore.
Well, Tonto.
So there's 2.
Tonto and the Lone Ranger.
Yeah, Tonto and the Lone Ranger. I believe I did mention this before, but a couple of my hens got really broody, and we actually managed to hatch some chicks naturally with the hens sitting on the eggs and then hatching chicks. So this is one of them, and then there's a little black one. I know. Your mom's not happy with me. And my next video is gonna be fixing up the chicken coop because, well, Mari's been digging, and we've had a crazy spring. So that's my next video is definitely gonna be fixing that up. Ow, my finger, dude. We'll get you more. The emus have been doing great. Ow, my finger. Stop biting my finger. See, this is what I'm supposed to do, so they don't bite my fingers. Yeah, that's better. No fingers harmed in the process. The emus have been doing great. Still no eggs. I've been checking. They have bedding. They've got everything they need, but no eggs. You are a boy, right? Just clarifying. I don't know what to do with this guy. Look at him. He's so cute. You're a boy. Buppy, say hi. Buppy. Yeah. Billy, how did you get in here? Are a menace and a danger to society. A menace. A pure menace. Or stop following her everywhere.
The fluff of the feather. Or whatever you just said.
Yeah. She does what she wants. No one can stop her. She is queen. Queen Bailey. All hail Queen Bailey. Quick warning, if you don't like snakes, skip this part of the video because I'm gonna show Fred.
He's behind.
This is Fred. Fred.
Hey.
What is this thing? You're a hissy little guy. It's like a cat. They just hiss at you.
Meow.
Anyway, yeah, we put him in here because we found him in the garden and we can't have massive snakes in our garden. Anyway, this is a poisonous Michigan rattlesnake. Venomous, yeah, venomous. Michigan rattlesnake. So, one of the only venomous snakes in Michigan. We don't know what we're gonna do with them. We're gonna call animal control and they'll figure it out. Wait.
This is my peach tree.
Peaches!
And it's looking really well. There's actual fruits on it. I don't know if you can see. These fell on the ground, so I'll just show them. We have tiny little peaches. And so this is my peach tree. And what's weird is that the male is all over there, all the way over there. And it's actually kind of dead.
Yeah.
So because we can break a branch and see if the insides are actually like,
Green.
It wasn't. So we're thinking there might be another peach tree on the block or something, because there has to be a male and a female to make peaches.
Just like people. To the jungle.
Girl.
No, I'm kidding. It's not the jungle. But it is our elderberry path.
Yep. And
We got so many of them. It used to be a path, and now it's just an elderberry jungle.
And this is the flower.
Elderberry flower.
And these little green dots will turn into the actual fruit, which you can make syrups and all sorts of good things. And then over here are my table grapes over the trellis. And if you look right here, if you look right here,
Baby grapes.
those would turn into tiny little table
They want to be
grapes.
grapes when they grow up. He's garden. Then
Flowers.
Yay! Parental supervision, except you're not a parental.
She is a guardian.
She's so supervised right now.
Yeah.
So supervised. Okay,
Yep.
show the lettuce.
Alright, so it's not just lettuce. So this is my Simpson lettuce. These really bright green ones.
Still
They are Simpson lettuces. And lettuces. I sound like Gollum right now.
Lettuces. Gollum.
So these are Simpson lettuce. Right over here. Stop. Right over here is spinach. So this and this is spinach. Spinaches.
Spinaches. I like that. Coining that.
So this is spinach. Over here is more lettuce.
More lettuce.
This is just what's the name? It's a
butter
lettuce.
crunch lettuce.
Yes, butter.
This is a tomato.
This is a comebacker tomato. We had some tomatoes that didn't fit in the garden bed over there that we put in here from last year, and it came back. And then more lettuce. And then right over here, this is a watermelon. And then right over there, those are butternut squashes right over
Oh,
there.
that's cool.
And these seeds germinated. I'm happy.
Pepper bed is doing amazing. It's so very big. There's so many peppers in here.
Come here.
There's some little squashy melon things.
Look.
What are those? What kind of squashes are those?
These
Are they squash or melons?
they're bell rose. I don't know.
She doesn't remember.
So these-
Oh no, this is our problem. And look, we got peppers.
These are Melrose peppers.
Melrose peppers. And then over here,
These are cucumbers.
cucumbers.
And my
Why did you
idea,
say it like that? Cucumbers.
and my idea is,
Ignored.
my idea is that these cucumbers, because we used to plant them in those trays, those lines of something over there, and now down here, we're hoping that they will trellis up this and make it easier for the cucumbers to hang down and be easier to pick. So.
Now we do something kind of fun with our tomatoes. Now, we have our tomatoes growing and they're getting really big. What we do is we attach strings to them and run them to the sky. It's really bright.
Over
And
here,
they're all strung up.
there's a tomato over there, obviously. But these are pumpkins.
Oh, pumpkin.
Look how big those leaves are.
So big. Got some basil right there.
Some
Candy
basil.
planting.
So this was actually from the hydroponics thing that I had indoors.
Yep.
And we just transplanted that to the outdoors. Come on. Then over here are my sugar snap peas, and we're trying to train these to also trellis up. So these are looking really good. I love sugar snap peas.
Our pumpkin barrels, we moved into this bed to keep or not pumpkin, potato barrels. We moved into this bed to keep them like more organized. And we already have the potatoes planted and buried. And like,
Buried.
so those will come up soon.
And also, I caught potato in one of these.
Oh, potato is sitting in them?
Yeah.
That's perfect. You're a loaf of a cat. I love you. Oh, she's a good boy.
Zoom out. He's low.
Look at you. You're a little loaf. Loaf with a tail. The best loaf.
You can't touch him.
Oh, such a good boy.
We still get some allergy
Such a good boy. Look at them whiskers. Ah. Okay, let's go.
So this is my strawberry bed, and there are still some strawberries here. Look
Ta-da.
at this one.
Ooh, I don't eat it.
No, don't eat it. You did not eat that. That
Yeah,
is
no, I'm
still in
kidding.
your head. It's so hot. Yeah, KK.
She's baking.
She's super.
baking.
She has to be here for supervision or whatever.
Supervision.
Supervision.
We have our whole onion bed here, and the onions are doing
show the garlic?
More onions over here. And then all the way down here, we have carrots.
Wait. Let me see. You go talk about the garlic.
Beets.
Yep.
A couple of them. And garlic. We've already got some scapes on our garlics that we're gonna probably harvest in the next video. So that's cool. These are gonna be good. Look at them. They've already got the little stubby things on them. Probably have to do that soon then. And I think that's everything for inside Bunky's garden. Hello now. Because we don't know how many snakes are in the garden and where they are and where the mother is. So I have to be over here by myself. But here is our herb bed, and we have to do a lot of work on this bed. But we've got like St. John's wort, we've got feverfew. This I think is feverfew actually. It looks like chamomile, but I think it's feverfew. It's where we put the feverfew, so I gotta look into that. We got hyssop, we got all sorts of stuff, goodies back here. And then over here, I'm not sure if that recorded. This over here is the rhubarb. It's got big leaves. We gotta do a lot of work on this bed. The rhubarb has gone to seed actually, look. Little rhubarb seeds. Oh. I'll just drop that back in there. And then over here, I don't know if this recorded earlier, but this is our herb bed. We've got fruit, feverfew, feverfew, St. John's wort, hyssop, all sorts of goodies. Now let us go through the window of the greenhouse. It's not too hot in here, actually. Oh, everything is looking beautiful in here. We got some kale, cabbage. Oh, the fig tree is doing amazing. Wow, everything in the greenhouse looks great. Actually, like, so good. Our survival seeds garden is doing amazing this year. Over here are our beans, which are already starting to do the little flowery thing. And then over here we've got 2 pie pumpkins that came up. They're doing really good. These are our green peppers from last year actually, and they're doing really good. Here are the beets. This is the tomato, our singular Roma tomato that survived, but it's doing great anyway. Our 7th seed was corn, so we got a ton of corn growing in a bucket. And that looks really good. I'm actually really excited about that because we haven't had great luck with corn yet. And then here are the onions, also doing amazing. So survival seeds is doing really great this year. Nearing the end of the strawberry season, sadly, favorite fruit. But we do have short sisters. That's what we have. We do have like 80 plants of the raspberry bushes along our vineyard, and they are getting ready to come up. And Bailey has already started eating some of them, but it's fine. We got 80 plants, so she can't eat them all. Hey, I'm Trey, and this is Kayla, and we are VC Family Homestead, but you might not have known, we're also Vineyard Chicks. We're part of a band, and we do all sorts of different kinds of music, and we go live every Monday, and you can find out more at Vineyard Chicks if you're interested. If you guys are wondering what we meant by Survival Seeds when we mentioned it during this video, Survival Seeds is a collaboration run by this guy, in collaboration with Lazy Days Ahead and Bushcraft Family, where we pick 6 seeds that we bought from Rainbow Seeds, which is an amazing seed company, and we ship to you. Unless you're in Canada, then we ship it from Miss Lori at Lori's World. Thank you, by the way, for that. You're the best. But if you are interested in growing survival seeds, then you can check out the video in the description on how you can make your entry video into Survival Seeds Collab.
All the information you need and more is available at survivalseedscollab.com, or email me at survivalseedscollab@gmail.com for any additional details.
As soon as we get your entry video, we'll be sending out your free 6 seeds that you can grow.
You don't get 6 packs of seeds.
Your free 6 packs of seeds, not 6 seeds, that you can grow right alongside with us and the rest of the community in Survival Seeds. We would be so glad to have you as part of the collaboration, and it would be super fun.
And the community is awesome.
This looks pathetic. This is my little sister.